Gurumayum Birchandra, also known as Morikul, was arrested around 9 a.m. today from Thangmaiban area by a team of Imphal West Police led by Commando Officer in Charge P. Ibochauba. According to a police report, the team also recovered a double-barrel gun from his possessions. It may be recalled that on the morning of November 21st, Morikul shot dead Suraj Gurumayum from Chingamathak Ngakrabam Lairak in Imphal during a scuffle. A 52-minute documentary film titled I Rise, directed and cinematographed by National Award-winning filmmaker Barun Thokchom, has been officially selected for the upcoming 9th Mumbai Short International Film Festival to be held at Mumbai on the first week of December 2020. Apunba Iraipak ki Mahiroi Sinpang AIMS today celebrated Ningol Chakauba at AIMS office at Kwakaitel. Women from different quarters were invited to the celebrations. On the occasion, AIMS President K.H. Roman expressed hope that the celebrations will bring love and bond among the people of the state. India reported 37,975 new cases of novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of infections to 91,77,841 according to the Union Health Ministry data. Besides, 480 people died due to virus, pushing the fertility count to 1,34,218 till death. On a positive front, 42,314 people recovered from the disease, taking the overall recoveries to 86,04,955. Meanwhile, the country's recovery rate is 93.75%. The number of active cases was below 5 lakh. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has expressed deep shock and conveyed heartfelt condolence on the sudden demise of Tarun Gogoi, a veteran politician and the former Chief Minister of Assam. In his condolence message, Biren remembered Gogoi as a tall politician who had served the state of Assam as a member of Legislative Assembly (MLA) several times. Congress President Sonia Gandhi said former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi was one of the tallest leaders of the Congress Party. The All India Congress Committee (AICC) President, in her condolence message at the former Assam Chief Minister demise, said Gogoi was admired and respected for his extraordinary wisdom, vision and ability. Former three-time Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi passed away at 5:34 p.m. last evening at Guwahati Medical College Hospital, GMCH. In view of frequent bomb threat in different places of Imphal city, the District Police Imphal West conduct house-to-house search operations this morning at Uripok Khoisnam Laikai, Chairap Maning, Sinam Laikai, Ahanthem Laikai, Polem Laikai and Achom Laikai. The team led by Imphal West Commando Officer in Charge P. Achauba also verified houses belonging to the surrendered militants. The team searched around 30 houses and verified 110 people. There were no reports of any arrest. Taking up security measures ahead of high-profile visit to Manipur, a combined team of Bishnupur Commando and Nambol Police searched houses at Kudompopi Maning Laikai this morning. A total of 97 houses were searched. 4 persons who are on bail were picked up for further verifications. The first cyclonic storm of this year's northeast monsoon is likely to bring extremely heavy rain to 1 or 2 places in Delta region and the northern coastal district of Tamil Nadu today and tomorrow. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry this morning and reviewed response preparedness to tackle Cyclone Nivar.